What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be taking a look at the new Samsung Galaxy A23. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. As you guys see, we have this article from Iskren right here. That's from phonearena.com. It says Samsung Galaxy A23 receives Bluetooth certification and goes live on support page. So this is going to be Samsung's newest and next budget phone, along with the A53 and obviously the A73. Now it says rumors about the first Samsung Galaxy A series phone for 2022 have been circulating for months now. One of the first phones from the series to make its debut is reported to be the Galaxy A23. The phone should now be close to launch as its official Russian support page has gone live. The phone has also received a Bluetooth SIG certification. It says the Samsung Galaxy A23 is listed with a model code right here. This model name confirms the phone will have a dual SIM support, so that's great to see, as the DS letters should stand for exactly this feature. The model name of the phone is listed on Bluetooth SIG website right here, as you guys can see. Now, as for the specifications, I saw a bunch of different articles talking about the specifications, and what I've garnered from all of them is it looks like the Snapdragon 680 should be on the regular A23 and the 700 Dimensity processor will be on the 5G version. Now, on the phonearena.com website, it says even though Samsung's upcoming Galaxy 8 smartphone received its Bluetooth certification, there were no new specs revealed. However, a phone by the model name of SMA23 5F was spotted on Geekbench recently. According to that, the Galaxy A23 will be powered by a Snapdragon 680 processor, as we talked about before, coupled with 4 GB of RAM, and the phone will run Android 12 out of the box. Now, those seem like pretty decent specifications, seeing that this is going to be a very budget-conscious phone. And those look like some pretty good specifications, in my opinion, but we're going to wait and see what it actually looks like. This is going to look pretty much exactly like the A53, the A52, and the A73. But this phone right here, as you guys can see, it's going to have that little V-neck. I call it a V-neck. I don't know, but I think it just looks horrid. They should just put that little punch hole in the middle. That would be nice. But this looks like the S22 for sure, the S22 Ultra. I just got the S22 Ultra, so definitely looks like that. Looks like the A53 and the A73 as well. I think they did a very good job at making something that's very brand oriented and looks the same in every other line. So really cool that Samsung did that. It says according to the earlier rumors though, the non-5G version of the Galaxy A23 will feature a 6.4-inch LCD screen with a teardrop style notch like we saw right now. It will have a 50 megapixel main camera too. Now, I don't know how good that is going to be. You know, megapixels aren't always the dictator of if a camera is good. Usually it's based off of the sensor inside of a phone. So I'm sure we're just going to have another subpar camera or a basic camera that we got in the A13 5G. You know, it's good to take pictures. It's not going to be anything crazy though. Samsung is also reported to launch a 5G version of the phone with a bigger 6.55-inch display and a quad camera system. The phone is alleged to have a thickness of 8.5 millimeters. The main camera will again be a 50 megapixel sensor and be accompanied by an 8 megapixel ultra wide shooter, a 2 megapixel macro sensor, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The Galaxy A23 5G is reportedly going to be powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset like we just talked about. Other features include a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. As mentioned earlier, the phone should be close to release. It will probably arrive in Europe, but there is no word on whether it will come to North America. Now, it looks like this is going to come to North America. The A23 should be coming over here. At least I'm hoping. Honestly, I'm just reporting on this news. But the A53 and A73 are definitely going to come over here. And with the success of all of the A-series devices, I'm sure the A23 is going to come to North America as well. So let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. If you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.